Nabigla lang po ako. Pasensya po sir, hindi naman po sinasadya. Patawad po.
I'm very proud that the Philippines is safer now. It's never happened. Safer than we've ever been. Okay, we are safer than we've ever been. And it will get better. It will get better.
Wow.
Tama yan kasi nga, may nagsabi sa akin before, performance is the best PR. Gawin mo lang yung tama, gawin mo yung naaayon sa batas. No amount of press release kasi di ba? Yung maano yung isang leader na palpak naman.
Kahit mag-tumbling ka pa. Baliwala ang good PR kung wala kang nagawa sa buhay mo. Di ba? So, hindi na mag-tumbling ako. Pero gagawin ko lahat sa DILG ang pwede kong gawin para gumanda ang Pilipinas. I'm very proud that the Philippines is safer now. It's never happened. The peak of criminality was 2014 on index crimes.
Ilang percent na nga, Sir Camo, ang dinecline ng criminality?
Since 2014?
Yes.
May 80%.
80%.
80%.
So can we say definitely that we are safe on the streets of the country?
We are safer than we've ever been. Okay? We are safer than we've ever been. And it will get better. It will get better.
Wow.
Malaking difference yung walang nagiinuman sa kalye.
Yes.
Yung mga kapabayan ngayon na nakauwi na hindi natatakot. Siguro may mga kaibigan kayo rito, di ba? Na umuwi, mag-MRT, mag-jeep, tapos mag-tricycle, tapos maglalakad. Marami dyan. Dati nakakatakot umuwi. Ngayon, I'm proud to say that the cities are much safer. Not only here, all over the Philippines, the cities are much safer now.